Installing software, patches and upgrades into Kali Linux. This video will walk through the process of downloading, installing various updates and application packages through the use of the Advanced Package Management Tool and Debian Package Management Tool commands. So let's begin. First we will discuss about apt. The apt package handling utility, simply known as apt-get, is a lightweight and extremely powerful command line tool for installing and removing software packages. apt-get keeps track of everything installed along with the required dependencies. Dependencies are the additional software packages required for proper functionality of other software. For instance, Metasploit, the penetration tester's best friend, relies on particular programming language called Ruby. Without Ruby installed, Metasploit could not ever launch. Therefore, Ruby is dependency of Metasploit. So apt-get not only keeps track of the dependencies for installed software but will keep track of versioning and interdependencies when updates are available. When software packages are no longer useful or depreciated, apt will alert the user at the next update and prompt to remove old packages. apt can be very simple or highly involved tool. The administration of packages is crucial to making sure Kali Linux functions properly and that softwares are up to date. While the average user of Kali Linux does not need to know the in-depth working of apt, there are some basics that every user should know. Installing additional software is the most basic function of the apt-get command and is simple and straightforward. The syntax will provide an example of the necessary uses of install subcommands. So now try installing GIMP, an image editing software package, using apt-get space install space GIMP and give enter. So it will try to download GIMP package from the internet. You can see we are receiving message like unable to log the administration directory /var/lib dpkg is another process is using it, means already background update process has been running, so we are not able to download GIMP. So let it be finished. Let me run this command again, apt-get install GIMP. Press Y and give enter. It will download the software and install it. Now I don't need to install the software. So hope you understand how you can install third-party software using apt-get command. Now we need to discuss about update. So from time to time the sources or repositories need to be checked for updates to various applications and packages installed on Kali Linux. So it is recommended that updates are checked before installing any new packages and is essential before performing an upgrade to the operating system or software applications or packages. So let me show you how you can update using apt-get command. Just define apt-get space update command and give enter. It will update the all operating system and installed software packages. I already updated my all operating system yesterday. So however, let me check with the apt-get update command. Let it update. Now we need to discuss about upgrade. So no system is ever perfect. In fact, every major operating system is in a constant state of improvement, enhancement and patch management to offer new features or correct bugs. The upgrade function will pull down and install all new packaged version of already installed software packages. The beauty of all Linux based operating system is that they are open source, meaning that anyone in the world can submit new code to the distribution managers of the operating system to help improve the functionality of the system if they spot a bug or need for improvement. This also allows for patches to be updated faster compared to the corporate giants like Microsoft. As stated earlier, it is vital to perform an update before running an upgrade. To upgrade Kali Linux, use apt-get upgrade command. It will upgrade the operating system. Now we need to understand about distribution upgrade. So the distribution upgrade function works very similarly to the upgrade function. However, this function also seeks out sources for special marked packages and their dependencies, as well as new packages the distribution managers have designed to be included with the newest baseline. For example, when invoking the distribution upgrade function, the entire version of Kali will be raised from like version 1.0 to version 1.1 or another or 2.1 and so on. So if you need to upgrade distribution upgrade, use apt-get dist upgrade command. So now let me discuss about remove. So apt-get can be used to reduce the footprint of a system or when removing read of a specific program. It is also recommended all packages not in use, those not serving a purpose or not necessary for your operating system, be uninstalled. For example, if the leaf-paid application isn't needed on the system, then remove it. If the application needs to be installed later, it can be. However, it is best to leave out what is unnecessary. So the following command apt-get remove can be used to remove an application or a packages like a leaf paid. So using this command we can remove leafpad application, and if you want to install leafpad, use apt-get install. Now we need to discuss about auto remove. Apt-get dash auto remove. So over time the operating system's application packages are replaced with new and improved versions. The auto remove function will remove old packages that are no longer needed for the proper functionality of the system. It is recommended that the auto remove function be run after an upgrade or distribution upgrade. So now we need to discuss about purge command apt-get dash purge and give any package name like what is the difference between remove and purge. So let me introduce about difference between remove and purge. The remove function will not destroy any configuration files and leaves those items on your hard drive in case the file are needed later. This is useful especially with applications such as MySQL, Samba server or Apache servers. The configuration files are crucial for the operability of your application. However, sometimes it is necessary to remove all of the application files, even configuration files for that application from the system in order to reinstall applications to a blank state and start over or clear all traces of possibly sensitive information. Purging an application from the system will completely erase the application package and all related configuration files in one file swoop. So be careful not to get too complacent when using the purge function. It is dangerous when used incorrectly or on the wrong application, as all associated files will be removed from the system. So purge can be used with apt-get space purge space package name. So now we need to discuss about clean command. So packages are downloaded to the system from their source, unpackaged and then installed. The packages will reside on the system until further notice. These packages are no longer necessary after installation of the application. Over time, these packages can eat up disk space and need to be cleaned away. So the following command can be used to initiate the clean function. So now we need to discuss about auto clean. Auto clean. Auto cleaning also cleans the system in a similar fashion as the clean function. However, it should be run after upgrade and distribution upgrades to the system, as the auto clean function will remove old packages that have been replaced with new ones. For instance, suppose application Y version 1 was installed on the system and after an upgrade to the system, application Y v1 is replaced with application Y v2. So the auto clean function will only clean away version 1, whereas the clean function will remove the application packages for both versions. So the following apt-get space auto clean command will used for auto clean function. So hope you understand how we can update the software, upgrade the operating system, how we can clean, auto clean and purge and remove and auto remove the softwares. So thank you for watching this video.